Hello, my name's Nam, so you would recognize me in this first video I made. I will teach you how to solve a one-sided, but before I can do that, I can teach you the basics of a Rubik's, of a mini one, this one. So first U means up, D means down, L means left, R means right, F means front, and B means back. So solving the one side. So wait, let me mix it up. So the color you can choose are, so you need this orange here. You can choose whatever, but it has to be 2 here. Then you bring this here down. It's right here. Then you drag it forward to this side. Then if you have a problem, then you do this, you get that. So here, I gotta explain to you. If it's here and yours is here, it's easy. You just bring this part up here, like here to here. After that, you just do it here, turn it here, like this. Then the rest, you just turn it here and there, up there, and now you get that. After that, just bring this part down. Then you turn it here. If there's a problem here, so here, if you have that and then this, if you actually turn and then you do that, that wouldn't work because it's up here and this white is here. So what you want to do is you actually first start like this, and then after that, you just bring this here, make it down, then you get this part, then you do this, and then you would bring this orange here, and then after that you bring it up. Then you actually do that, then you bring it down, and then you have one side. The next one I would tell you will be a harder one, and it's a Rubik's Cube. So the one I have is, you can solve the yellow one here. First you start the 3 one, then you actually move this here, this white, yeah, like that. Like here, and then you turn it here to this shape. Then you move it here, and then you get that. After that, you bring it down. You drag it up here. Wait. Then you just bring this side down. Wait, oh God. Then you actually bring this part up, bring this here, then bring it down. Then you have 2 more left to go. After that, so if it's here, then here, you just bring it here, then you bring it up here, then you get here. Then we have 1 more left to go. And it's simple. You just bring it here, and then you twist it, and then you turn it, and then this. You get this one-sided. Okay. Solving a Primix is actually hard, but then this Primix has 4 sides, and what you want to solve one side, it's a little tricky then. And first, you have to get this side. I mean, if you have this, like this, you just turn that, you get that color. Here, here, and there. So what you want to do is actually, you bring this part here, and then you bring it here. So you do it here. Then you bring it up here, then you drag it here. Oh, and you get it. And then you do this. Bring it up. You have some place to go. Then you, so here, then you bring this part up, and then you do this. You have 2 more, and this one's tricky. So what you want to do, what you want to do is actually, you get these 3. So after that, you actually bring this part up. And this and that here. Then if it's right behind it, you see that, you bring this heart up, then you get this. So you bring this down here. So you bring this down, and this one, then you bring this part, and then you bring this up and up. So you get 1 more up. So you just want to do this, and then that, then you do there. Thanks for watching. You can watch it again if you want.